Okay, today I'm going to show you one of the absolute quickest cheats that I know how to do for making beautiful onions. This isn't really a meal, it's more an unhealthy snack, but it's super quick. So I've just chopped the ends off an onion, and now I'm going to put, it's a small onion, and I'm just going to put a teaspoon of butter on the top, and you can see like that, and then cover it in a microwave safe dish. And I'm going to pop it in the microwave here for 3 minutes. Now, one of the fun things about, where am I? This is, as I was saying, one of the fun things about vegetarian sausages is they take no time at all to cook. So I'm just gonna grill these in the time it takes to microwave that onion. And got a hot dog bun here. Slice that open. Because we don't want to be totally unhealthy. Yeah. A little bit of rocket. A little bit of cheese. That pan's warming up, so I'm gonna pop in my vegetarian sausage. I'll keep the one remaining one. And I've got some tomato chutney here. Now that is ready for my onions. When they're done, I'll just put that there so it's in the view. Now I have some time to kill. I don't really have anything to say in this video because this isn't a healthy meal I can talk up. It's a lazy snack, but nearly done with those onions. Now, I'm just going to get out a fork. So, as I said, we microwave the onion whole, and then to use the skin to trap the steam and really cook that onion super quickly. So after 3 minutes, what comes out, and you do need to handle it with a knife and fork because it's super hot. So now I'm just going to cut off the brown outer layers there. And as you can see, it's really soft and squishy. So I'm just going to cut this with my knife into some onion strips. And the butter has made that all gooey and yummy. Now, just pop that in there. I'm just going to grill it a little bit more. Now, if I was organised, I would have tongs, but I don't. So we'll just pretend I'm more organised. So I just chuck these in the fry pan to add a little bit of colour, but they're just frying up a little bit. But the texture straight out of the microwave is still pretty good and pretty close to approximating caramelised onions. So there's my sausage. So there we go, less than 5 minutes and I've got a